Now let's find the direction of the resultant of two vectors. We shall derive an expression for the direction for the resultant of two vectors acting at a point. Let's consider two vectors, vector A and vector B, acting at the point A. Now, by the law of parallelogram of addition, complete the parallelogram A, B, C, D and produce D, produce AD and draw CE perpendicular to AD. Let the angle between the two vectors be theta. So the angle here at D is also theta because they are corresponding angles. Now draw the resultant from the point A along the diagonal AC. Now let the resultant R make an angle alpha. Let the resultant R make an angle alpha with the vector A. Now here angle alpha is called the direction of the resultant. Direction of the resultant with reference to or with vector A. Vector A. Now to find an expression for alpha, let's consider tan alpha from the triangle AEC. In triangle AEC, tan alpha is CE divided by AE. CE divided by AB, opposite by adjacent side. Now, what is CE and what is the length of AD? I will write CE as it is divided by AE, which is the sum of AD plus DE. AD plus DE. Okay. Now, this is tan alpha. Let me call this as 1. Now, in triangle DEC, this triangle, right angle triangle, let me take sin theta. Sin theta is opposite side, that is CE divided by hypotenuse. CE divided by CD. Sorry, CE divided by CD. So I want CE here. Therefore, let me take the value of CE. CE is CD sin theta. CD into sin theta. Now in the same triangle, DEC, let me take the value of cos theta. Cos theta is DE divided by DC. And here I have DE, so I will take the value of DE. So DE equals DC cos theta. Now let me substitute these values in equation 1. Therefore, tan alpha equals CE. What is CE? CD sin theta divided by AD, write AD as it is, plus DE. DE is DC cos theta. Now what is CD? CD is vector B. So magnitude is B. Length of CD is B. And what is AD? AD is the magnitude of vector A. And what is DC or CD? It is B only. Therefore, tan alpha equals B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta. Our alpha is given by tan inverse of B sin theta divided by A plus B cos theta with vector A. Here, note that theta is not the direction of the resultant. Theta is simply the angle between the two vectors. Alpha is the direction of the resultant, and this direction is taken with respect to vector A. And alpha is given by the formula tan alpha. Alpha equals tan inverse of B sin theta over A plus B cos theta.